Here we go.
Jab.
Training in session.
Put your hand up.
Put him on, Blue. Come on, don't be a wimp.
Jab.
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 Harder.
Jab.
Harder.
Jab.
Knock him out.
Jab.
Jab.
Still like this, stay strong.
No, introduce yourself
1,
again,
2.
Kim.
Wait, introduce yourself again. One more time.
Jab.
From the red corner, 165 pounds. From Samoa, 10 to the farm.
Okay, Luke, you try now. Introduce yourself, Luke. In the blue corner.
Coming out the feet of the blue corner.
Undefeated. Undefeated.
Luke Stowers,
Luke's
162 pounds.
no. Wait.
26 wins, 1 loss.
26 wins, 1 loss.
If I was undefeated, I would have had 1 loss.
From the state of Honolulu, Hawaii.
Keely, you're the referee.
What about me?
Oh,
Your
God.
referee for the night, Gilly the champ.
Oh, gosh. All right, get up, Luke. Let's see some action.
Put your hand.
Huh?
See some action.
Put your hand like this.
Ready? Ding, ding, ding.
Ba, ba.
Oh, this is a good one. This is a good fight.
Left.
This is a good fight.
Put your hand straight.
Luke's gonna start crying.
Up and down. This foot. Bounce. Right.
Dude, this is the best $20 ever spent. He loves those gloves.
Bounce. Bounce. Bounce.
Hey, you weren't expecting that one.
2,
Look at him. 3, you're out.
4,
Who's the winner, Keely?
5, 6. Stand up.
No.
Stand up.
We have to buy another pair.
Stand up.
I know, it's easy for Daddy to knock him out when
This
he's
isn't fair.
Stand up.
Uh-oh. Keely wants to play.
Careful, you have no words. Okay, put your arm like this. Put your arm like this. Put your arm like this.
Put your arms up, Keely.
Put your arm. Now you get up. Get up.
Oh, get up.
Get up. Yeah.
One more time.
The referee.
Round 2.
Walk forward.
Round 2.
Walk forward.
Ding, ding, ding.
Walk forward.
Round 2.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's ready to fight.
Okay, go. Ding, ding, ding.
okay.
Boom. Boom.
Watch out for the stomach.
Watch
What's the
out.
combination?
Okay.
Boom. 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 Boom.
Oh, nice.
Oh, dang. Oh, whoa. That's a good one. Right there. Right there. Get him in the face. Right in the face. Hit him in the chin. Watch out.
Out again.
Go. 1, 2. Oh, round 3. Round 3.
You okay?
Ding, ding, ding.
Yeah,
Round 3.
it's okay. Okay.
Okay, go.
One more knockout. No more. Finish.
One more and you're done. Winner! Winner!
Like the saddest thing I've ever seen.
Mom,
The referee.
go lift up his hand. He's the winner.
Oh, wait, I'm trying to get my makeup on.
Winner.
Winner by knockout. Stop it. Second round.
Keely.
I'm taking you down!
Stop it.
Do this.
Keely, you have to lift his hand up. What happened? I told you watch out for the face. How embarrassing.
No cover.
No cover at all. At all.
Let me see it. No.